Welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to solve another Leetcode medium problem, and this is again part of our DSA revision series. So without wasting further time, let's quickly jump into the problem. So this is the problem longest consecutive sequence, and the problem says given an unsorted array of integer nums, return the length of longest element sequence. You must write a log algorithm that runs in big of n time. Okay, so the simple solution is or brute force is basically we can sort this array and check if we have consecutive elements, like checking comparing it with previous element, and keep track of the max. But that solution will work in analog n time, and that is not optimized for sure. And we have explicitly mentioned that we should solve it in big of n time. So what else we can do? So one key observation with this problem is whenever we are checking for any consecutive element in subsequence, we can check if it is a valid um, start or not. Okay, for example, we see 100. Okay, and we can check if 99 already exists in this element on in this array or not. If 99 exists, then 100 is not a valid start point, we can skip. Okay, and in this case, as 99 not exists, then 100 can be a possible start. Then we can check for 100 plus 1 till when we can find the consecutive elements. We can increment the count, something like that, and keep track of max. So this is the approach. So let's quickly write the solution as well. So we need a set to basically check in constant time if um, any element exists or not. Integer set equals to new hash set. We need to L odd element all elements and I in nums set dot add I. So with this loop we have added all the elements. We can initialize a max which is 0 to basically keep track of the max, and now we can start with each element and I in 0, I is less than nums dot length and I plus plus. Okay, and here we can check if our set not contains this nums of I minus 1. If not contains, then only it is a valid start. Okay, and if it is a valid start, so I can take a temp length equals to 1, and I can check for remaining elements, like while set dot contains sorry, what is the current, which is okay. I can take int current equals to nums dot I and current plus 1. If it has current plus 1, I can increase current plus plus, and I can also increase the length, which is temp length. Okay, and after this loop I can keep the max is equals to math dot max comma temp length length. Yeah, and return the max. So what we are doing is on line number 12 we are basically checking if it is a valid start or not. If it is valid start, then I will iterate for all the elements till we have consecutiveness, and I'll keep track of max length at last. So yeah, sample test cases are passing. We can try submitting it now. Okay, time limit exceeded. Okay, TLE. Mm-hmm. Need to check this. TLE. What can be the problem? Okay, okay. We have created set, then why we are using the array? We can add it over that only. So int set element set e in set. Okay, set e, and it should also set e. Yeah, that's it. Passing. Yeah, so this was it. This was the issue. Okay, so in this video we have solved this longest consecutive sequence problem, and I'll see you in the next one with another problem. So stay tuned. Thank you.